Bitch, sit back, watch me get that money. Couple million bank book can't done it. And a Bonnie and Clyde, this a Spice and Tommy.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back. How go on people, everything good? Right you know, me I go review Spice and Tommy song. I'ma get it. And me deliberately say Spice and Tommy song. Because right now Spice a lead on the girl song. But before we go in at the review, I would like you to click the subscribe button and turn on post notification, that's the bell. So anytime I release a video, you're gonna be the first to know, you know what I mean? You get it directly on your phone, you don't have to wait around, you see me? So just sit back and relax and enjoy the review, yeah.
Bitch, sit back, watch me get that money. Couple million bank book can't done it. And a Bonnie and Clyde, this a Spice and Tommy. Roll out now the car with the top down. Dirty girl every ear talk go drop down. Boom boom fat in my shot like 1 pound. Back up and back, watch me shut this club down.
But Spice, with an intro like that, you didn't only shut the club down, you shut this track down. I like it. Spice, yeah, make me proud. But then again, Spice we are talking about, you know. You see me? So you have to expect the best and nothing less.
You bitches ain't next. Sitting home, watch my gram move vex. Me, I want like a rude girl, I chase them checks. Big fatty guys straight from the jacks to the jet. Excuse you, bitch, we grind for this money. And these broke niggas can't get nothing from me. Them say me a rude girl, yeah, I'm taking shit. Lay a nigga down if he don't run. And I'ma go to me, I'll pop my pussy on his honey. Bitches, you same boat when I'm running to this money. Never take the what and left the what, bitches all time. One up on a beat, make a nigga come.
Well, see me, I tell her, Tommy kinda soft, you see me? But she a spit still. If you listen closely, you see in Bolt punch and the, from jets to the checks or something like so. I mean, she a spit, you see me? But wanna check out Spice part right now.
I'm like, bitch, stop living on my timeline. I'm all about the letter B with the dollar sign. While you sleep with a nigga for some liquor kind. Life want rearrange, body want redefine.
People, you see me tell us a Spice not joke with the truck. Me I go explain what she just said. I'm gonna explain to y'all what Spice just said. So Spice I said, girl, stop live on my timeline. Meaning, come off the girl's Instagram, Facebook, etc. Every minute you just watch out the girl life, every move. So she say, haters, stop live on my timeline. Then she say, I'm all about the letter B with the dollar sign. Meaning, she's all about that bills. She's all about that money. So if you ain't talking money, don't contact Spice. If you ain't talking money, Spice no one see you. Now hear from you. Then she say, you sleep with some man for some little kind. Your body want to rearrange. It need for redefine. The girl I say, yo, you some little waist girl. Meaning, you want hood rat. That's what they call it in the States. I think that's what they call it in the States.
Fine. Post for the blood clot camera, me clean and come out. Instagram bad gal and a type shit all about. See me in a real life and you have to shut up your mouth. My money loud, your back dry like it a go through the drought.
Why you make memes?
At this point, Spice address the girls that only know how to type. But in real life, if they see Spice, they have to run and hide. And I know a lot of you girls can relate to this part of the song. Because a lot of people nowadays, they can only type a bag of things on Instagram. They can only hate on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, and talk, yo, this girl ain't shit, you ain't shit, this ain't shit. Girl, you ain't shit. And when you check it out, is that same girl have a bunch of dirty plates in the sink. Is that same girl leave her kid at home just to go to a party.
Why you make memes? Bitch, I make millions. Looking like a star, got stars on my ceiling. This a rape hope. You ain't got the peso. Sit it in his face, had him busting like a Draco.
Tommy, me don't know if you don't know, but Jamaicans not really too that I eating something there. So no, yeah, do.
Never let him stay though, send him on his way though. I know he a rookie, so this pussy what he chase for. 100 your dash, the money your flash. Be a life saving, spend that shit on a bag, getting cash. Flew me cross the state line just to see my waistline. When he ate this pussy, only time we ever FaceTime. Rude boy got a few boys on my chair. Yardy in Jamaica say he feeling me like grill.
Tell me, it sound like you try keep up though. Yeah, going good. You spit some real lyrics.
I be taking trips while you bitches taking L's. Checks in the mail, you better watch your mail. Or I send them home broke with your bill money missing. Me and Spice out here getting real money, bitches.
If you're watching this video and you're not already a subscriber, what are you waiting on? Click the subscribe button and turn on post notification.
I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Pop that ass, drop down if you with it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Pop that ass, drop down if you with it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Pop that ass, drop down if you with it.
People, you notice oh the video look clean and the girls them, oh my god, the girls them, yo, girls and they look so good. Look on them money there, yo. Would I throw some money pound? Would I throw some dollar kind pound?
I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma pop that ass, drop down if you with it.
Straight out of Jamaica, me stand up in a this. Girl, the shoes for me foot, they on your wish list. Money a fly, every day elastic band me twist. A ring to the chain, no way, check my wrist.
If you feel like Spice is dominating this track, click the like button and comment Spice. If you feel like Tommy dominate the track, well, comment Tommy. But for me, Spice kill it. Yo, Spice kill it, dig the grave and bury it. But you feel like say that part the body yet? Just wait till you hear them 4 bars, yeah.
See, I don't know if y'all understand me. So let me calm down, speak more clearly. The things that I buy, bitch, wait for a fairy. Or save couple bucks, then you might just barely.
I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Pop that ass, drop down if you with it.
Told you, I told y'all Spice gonna kill it. Yo, I love this tune and I love the video and the combination because you forget Tommy props. You know what I mean? She stand up to a big dancehall recording artist like that and lay down some nice track. But for me, Spice did it. I mean, it's a good song, it's a good combination. And I want to know what you think. I want to know what you think about my review. I want to know what you think about the song. I'm gonna leave the full song, the link to the full song in the description below so you can check it out for yourself and tell me now what you think about the song. If you don't already, click the subscribe button. This is one of the perfect time to do so. You can click the subscribe button right now, turn on post notification and like the video if you like the video. Don't be selfish, share it with a friend. You know what I mean? It's your boy DJ Chaddy and you can follow the drama on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's IAMCHADDY. It's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm out.
I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Pop that ass, drop down if you with it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Pop that ass, drop down if you with it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma get it. Pop that ass, drop down if you with it. I'ma get it, I'ma get it, I'ma pop that ass, drop down if you